For the first step of this project, we learned about mixing primary colors to make secondary colors. So a quick review. First, you made a yellow sun in the sky and a blue sky around the sun. Yellow and blue together, two primary colors, make the secondary color green. On a second sheet of paper, you made orange and violet by mixing red and yellow to make orange and blue and red to make violet. For today's final part of the project, what you're going to do is you're going to use your paper from the orange and purple to cut flowers and glue them onto your first sheet of paper with the sun, sky, and the grass. So you're going to need a pair of scissors, some glue, and possibly a marker or anything else you can draw with to make the stems of the flowers. What we're doing when we cut paper and glue it down to another sheet of paper, we call this a collage. So what you're going to be making is a collage of flowers onto this piece of paper with your sky, sun, and grass. So you can cut this out, your orange and violet paper. And what you're going to do is just make circles, cut as many circles as you can, and glue them onto your paper to make flowers. If you want an extra challenge, the closer you get to the sky, the blue part, you would make your flowers even smaller and smaller and smaller as you go up here, like I'm going to do in this demonstration. But if you don't want to do that, you can feel free to make any size flowers you want on your paper. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making small flowers at near the sky, and as I come down the paper, I'll make my flowers look bigger. Okay, I'll zip through this part, and then I'll show you the next part after I get through gluing all my flower petals down. So after I cut out all the petals for my flower, just using a simple shape like a circle, I'm going to put my smaller flowers closer to the sun, and the rest of them, the bigger ones, are going to be toward the bottom of my paper. After I glue all my flower petals down, you can use whatever you want. You can use a colored pencil, pen, or marker to just draw a stem and leaves for each one of your flowers. And that will finish off the project. You can just do a simple straight line if you want to. And if you want to add petals to the flowers, feel free to add petals to your flower. And you can use any colors you want for this. And when you're finished, just write your name at the bottom somewhere. And make sure you keep this in your portfolio. That'll be the end of this project. I hope you enjoyed mixing primary colors to get your secondary colors.